This message has been transmitted at the request of Los Angeles Police Department. A hostage situation is taking place at the Los Angeles airport. At 11:56 p.m. Wednesday, two men of European descent arrived at the airport off of a flight. 5 minutes later, they both pulled out assault weapons out of their luggage and began firing. There have been reports of injuries, but as of now, no reports of fatalities. Airport security has the men surrounded, but are still considered dangerous. As a precaution, the airport is being shut down, and all departing flights are being grounded. Arriving flights are being sent to other airports. All routes to the airport are being closed, so no one else can enter. We will broadcast further information on this dangerous event as it occurs. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is an update of the situation occurring at the Los Angeles International Airport. At 12:43 a.m. Thursday, the two men that were firing assault weapons at the airport have left the area. Although they have not been reported to have left the airport, they escaped authorities at an arrival gate. One of the men is 5 feet to 5 feet 6 inches tall, average build, about 25 to 35 years of age, and was last seen wearing a purple t-shirt under a green hooded DC sweatshirt and black pants. The other man is 5 feet 3 inches to 5 feet 9 inches tall, average build, about 20 to 30 years of age, last seen wearing a black trench coat and brown t-shirt. If you see these men approach you, follow their demands, and do not attempt to apprehend the suspects, as these men are considered armed and extremely dangerous. If you confront these men, they may try to kill you. It is best to run away or follow their instructions. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles County Emergency Management. At 1:18 a.m., the two men with assault weapons at the airport were again cornered by authorities. Police has successfully shot and killed one of the suspects involved. However, the other suspect escaped and still remains at large. The man stated that he has a nuclear device and will detonate it. It is uncertain if he really possesses such a weapon, but is taken seriously. This man was last seen wearing a purple t-shirt with black pants. It cannot be said if the man is leaving the airport. If you encounter this man, run away, as he may try to kill you. He is considered armed and extremely dangerous.
An administrative message from the Los Angeles Police Department. At 1:44 a.m., the suspect ignited a nuclear device in the airport. Shortly after, the police were able to apprehend the man without killing him, but the man later managed to commit suicide. The two suspects no longer pose as a threat. However, police were unsuccessful at defusing the bomb, and the bomb exploded, causing a major explosion in the airport. Although nuclear fallout is not reported to be present at this time, the airport is being evacuated as a precaution. Citizens within 10 miles of the airport are required to evacuate the area immediately. Do not return to the area for any reason.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. At 1:47 a.m., fallout has been reported at the Los Angeles International Airport. It is confirmed that the fallout originated from the device that exploded just a few minutes ago. Anyone within 500-mile radius of the airport are urged to seek a fallout shelter. Seek shelter now. An administrative message from the Los Angeles Police Department. The fallout that was present in the area from a bomb that exploded at the airport about 3 hours ago has cleared out of the area. Therefore, all citizens are safe to leave shelter within the next few minutes. Again, the fallout is cleared out of the area.